What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode I'm going to talk you through a bit of a hangboard training session, so let's get to it.
So you'll see in this video that I used quite a fair bit of chalk, a bit of a chalk addict, as most climbers are. So I start this workout with roughly about 10 standard pull-ups, just to get the blood flow in and those muscles warmed up. That was actually 12, so a bit of a shakeout now, a bit more chalk. Then I move on to the 45-degree sloper holds with 2 full pull-ups while dead hanging at the top of each lift. Shaking out those arms. A bit more chalk. And on to the next hold. As you can see here, I start setting up with this wide pinch between these 2 holds, although I do change my mind at the last minute and just go for the holds at the top there, just a standard crimp dead hang. It really gets the fingers burning a little bit there, get those tendons working. So from there I just go for a standard pinch hold, dead hang. So a bit more chalk. So from here I go on to this four-fingered deep pocket. Hands are quite close together. Very slow and controlled pull-up. Holding it at the top here, and a very slow descent down to half, hold, chalking up again. Always good to keep those hands nice and dry. Starting to look at the 2-finger pockets here. Setting up with the 2 middle fingers, then change to the first finger and the second finger for a 2-finger dead hang. Just felt a little bit more comfortable at that time. So a pull up and a hold. Muscles are really starting to warm up now, so I can shake out there. And onto same 2-finger pockets again, nice and deep pocket, and the 2 middle fingers. Full pull up dead hang there. Sort of feeling around, just feeling what I feel comfortable in doing next. I'm going to go for this wide crimp. Full crimp these. And just dead hang it here. So I move on to the deep 3-finger pockets. I'll just do a couple of pull-ups on these. Dead hang at the top of the last one, and a slow half lower, and dead hang again. Now I try and go for these really tricky crimps. Not a lot to hold on to at all, so full crimp. One is actually a little bit of a sloper, because I don't have dead hang them for that long. So I go for the same holds there again, but watch that left hand bottom screen as it pops right off there. Once again, a bit more chalk. And shake out that lactic acid. I'll just go for the standard wide jugs here. A couple of pull-ups. Tell I'm starting to get knackered here, so back to the 45-degree sloper there, a couple of pull-ups. Slopers are nice and easy to hold on when you've got your centre of mass underneath them, but the more you go above them, the easier it is to just for your hands to slide off. Back to the slopers. Got a few more pull-ups. really feeling it. Bit more chalk and again, really good shake out here. And we'll just go back to the deep 2-finger pockets, 2 middle fingers. Do a couple pull-ups on this. I've come down to the bottom of the board now and on a very shallow 3-finger pocket. So just a half pull up and dead hang this one. Those pockets are very shallow, there's only probably about just less than 1 finger pad's worth of depth, so you don't have much to grip onto at all. Onto the slopers, now onto this middle sloper. It's a bit more curved than the 45°. Hands together, full pull up and dead hang. Slightly lower to half, dead hang in. And back up to the top. Try and pull out a couple pull ups there. So now setting up for this shallow 2-finger pocket. Just going to dead hang this one. Not feeling too comfortable on that one. It's been a while since I've done any hangboard training, so don't want to tear a tendon or do any damage. So back to the standard wide jugs here for a few pull-ups just to finish off this hangboard training session.
So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.